All right, turning now to weather. Dani Rurberti standing by. You are tracking this storm still headed our way.
Yeah, I mean, the storm is on the move. It's been changing, you guys, a little bit. It's one of those cut-off lows. They're a little bit temperamental. They have a mind of their own. And so it's kind of taken its sweet time, but it brought the rain for the evening commute. Some of that is settling down, but for some of us, it is just starting to pick up. And that's going to be the case through Ventura County right now. Flash flood warnings are in effect until 12:30. Those areas shaded in green. So western Ventura County, you see that in Ojai, in Santa Barbara. We're talking 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain an hour. So this is where rain is just pounding down. You can see it through Carpinteria, Ojai, Santa Barbara, and actually all those cells are starting to move off to the northwest, and that's going to be good. We want the rain, but sometimes when we get it in such a short period of time and get so much of it, that's when we start dealing with these threats and with this flooding. So with flash flood warnings, this means that flooding is expected. For everyone else, you can see that blanket of green out there. I mean, we have been dealing with this widespread rain since about 5 o'clock this evening. Take a look at this. So we are dealing with heavy rain right now in some areas. You can see this through San Antonio Heights, just north of Upland. And then we've got that rain through West Covina. We're seeing it in Arcadia and also Glendora, San Dimas getting in on some of that action as well. Here's a look at some of the rain that we're seeing through Silverado and also Rancho Santa Margarita. And for everyone else, it's lightening up just a little bit. We have been dealing with flood advisories as well, but it looks like that cleared up a little bit earlier than expected. It was supposed to stick with us till about 11:45 this evening. So that's good news. This storm is on the move, though, and it's going to continue to bring us waves of rain. We could see isolated thunderstorms going into the next couple days, and we stay soggy through Friday, folks. So things are going to stay wet. So let's take a look at how things are changing, because it does look like going into our Thursday, the storm is actually going to stay a little farther off the coast than expected. So we are going to see the rain showers during the day on Thursday, not as widespread, but I want you to take a look at Thursday night going into Friday morning. This is when rain kicks back into gear, and this is when it turns heavy again, when we can get some of those thunderstorms. This is a look at midnight on Friday morning. Look at those yellows, those oranges, and those reds. That's where it's going to be heaviest through Los Angeles, Baldwin Park, into Rancho Cucamonga, San Bernardino, up in the mountains. And that continues into Friday, but it does look like Friday afternoon, it won't be as widespread. We'll still see some of that lingering rain. And by Saturday, a lot of that kind of starts to clear out. So that's going to be good news going into our next couple days to see some of that clearing out. LA, Orange County, what we're dealing with right now, 2 to 4 inches of rain going over to the next couple days. Thursday, Friday, it is going to be wet. We'll be dealing with showers. They're on and off, mid-60s, feeling a bit cooler. Overnight lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, a chance for rain in the morning. It looks like that clears out. And then take a look at your Sunday. This is Christmas Eve. We're in the mid-60s, sunshine. Things dry out. They're clear. We might start off a little bit cool, but the afternoon is going to be pleasant. By Monday, Christmas Day, we stay dry. High pressure builds in, and then it looks like another storm by the middle of next week, but things are going to be looking good for the beginning of the week.
All right, Dani, thank you so much. Thanks for watching KCAL News at 10. Our next newscast is at 11 on CBS.
And of course, you can always catch us on KCALnews.com.
KCAL News, now weekday mornings from 4 to 11.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.